You change people's destinies. Iyabo, you destroy people. You are cold-hearted. Killing people is like eating Indomie to you. You find like you feel so relaxed in killing your fellow human. Iyabo Alisojo. You look at other people, like other mothers, 9 months journey. You destroy them without feeling remorse. Those hailing you, clapping for you, following you. I understand. I understand. They are people like you. Iyabojo, no reasonable mother that wants to eat the fruit of their labors that will follow you. None of them. With what you have done to so many people, it takes someone that will cry over their children that will be asking you that, what have you done to me? It takes someone that will cry over our children or his children to blame me for what I have been doing. Imagine if I don't have the strength, Iyabojo, where will I be today? Just because you want to collect money from me. Just because you own a blog. If not for God, where will I be today, Iyabo? Èyàn kì í mọ̀yàn ni mo mọ̀ ẹni. Àbẹ́yàn kì í báyàn jọ ṣiṣẹ́ ni mo pàdé ẹni film industry. How do you sleep at night? Iyabo, why destroying other people's children? How do you feel seeing your own children? You feel happy? You feel happy? Don't you know that as a mother, we become a mother when we care for other people's children? That is when we become mother. Having 10 children, having 10, having 20, having 50 children does not make you a mother or a father. Other children, you helped. Other children, you assist. Other children, you drag to the top. That is what makes you a mother. Iyabo, how did you sleep? How did you sleep? How did you eat? And because you know that the community of Yoruba people are a bunch of morons. Because you can't try this within Hausa people. You can't try this within Igbo people. Iyabo, creating WhatsApp group. Plotting people into people's house. Wasting people's life like chicken for your donation scheme. You think I don't have fan base? I have. My fan base, I sell clothes, I sell gold, I sell lunch to them. I can use my fan base to waste people's lives too. But what will be my gain? How many people have you wasted that they've given you crown or money for wasting their lives? How do you feel seeing in likes of Naira Marley? You pin it on him that a buy Mohbad. A good mother will come online and tell Nigerians, as a mother, you should not be too big to say sorry when you offended other people's children. As a good mother, you shouldn't be too big to say sorry to other people's children. You call yourself a mother or a murderer. Iyabo, you've done your worst to me. You've done your worst to me. And this is your end. I know yesterday, because they trend LIZZY and ANJORIN destroyed this lover, you were paid. You could not sleep. That was the reason you came out. You will pay so dearly for what you've done. You will pay so dearly. You will pay physically, you will pay spiritually, you will pay psychologically. Yabojo, you will pay with everything that makes you smile. Except if you are telling the truth about me. Adabi, to ba je po ti tolo gbe wa nipa mi. I will make you crawl. Yabojo, you will crawl. You will beg for help, you will not see. Ọ̀run á fi ebi pa ẹ́, Iyabo Alice Ojo mo fẹ́ tuga. ìrìn àjò àwọn ọmọ á ṣókùnkùn. Ìyábọ̀ tó bá kè ní kọlá kó jẹ wọn mọ́ àwọn ọmọ á jábọ́. Àwọn á jábọ́. Ibi á pa ẹ́. You see that when you were doing show yesterday, you did that show because of money. You are hungry already. You are hungry. You know it's because of gifts I don't do TikTok. Because of the gifts I don't do TikTok. Because of you. Ma be noto. I will do that TikTok. I will off my comments.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó fi dá Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lóhùn nínú fídíò yìí tí ẹsẹ̀ wò tán yìí. Ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ti sọ wípé òun máa bá Ìyábọ̀ Òjó náà tán bí owó ni. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn níbo lẹ rò wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí yóò padà já sí níbi tí wọ́n bá a dé báyìí o.
Ma be noto. It's between you and I. Àwọn tó ń pè kó bẹ́ẹ̀ ti àwọn èèyàn mọ́lé. We want to know them. There are some people that wants to know them. Àwọn tó ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ti àwọn èèyàn mọ́lé. A fẹ́ mọ̀ wọ́n. Àwọn tó rí ẹ tó